Are you just starting out with Amazon affiliate marketing? I'm going to take you inside my personal Q2 earnings right now. Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm Eddie Garrison and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to master your social media marketing, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In the previous video of this series, we went through what the Amazon affiliate program is, how you can get started, and what to actually expect with earnings when you start from square one. Well, in this video, we're going to continue that same progression, and I'm going to show you my personal Amazon affiliate earnings for quarter number 2 and how they compare to quarter number 1. First off, let's take a quick look back at my earnings from quarter number 1. I was able to earn $16.82 through my Amazon affiliate links. That amount came from 6 ordered items totaling $353.92, or basically right around 5% commissions for all of those sales. Now obviously, the biggest question we're all waiting to see answered in this video is if my Q2 earnings increased or decreased from Q1 and by how much. So let's jump into those numbers right now. In quarter number 2, I was able to generate $23.77 in Amazon affiliate earnings coming from 16 items sold totaling $678.58, or right around a 4% commission on all of those sales. Obviously, this is a little bit more than my Q1 earnings, but only by about $7. This may seem a little weird since I sold more items in Q2, 10 more items to be exact. However, those items did not have the high dollar sales prices as some of the other items that I sold in Q1. And I also had a returned item in Q2, which you'll also have to deal with from time to time. But overall, so far in 2020, I've earned a total of $40.59 for doing little more than posting links on YouTube videos, Twitter, Facebook, and answering questions with links when people are posting about a specific product they can get on Amazon. Now, without knowing for sure, let's just say I increase my earnings each of the next 2 quarters by the same $7 per quarter. I can reasonably expect to earn somewhere in the neighborhood of $110 for the entire year. Now, of course, that's not some huge amount of earnings that you could quit your day job on, but do you know what those earnings just did for me? That's about what I pay every month for my mobile phone bill. So in effect, I just earned myself a free month of payment for my mobile phone. And honestly, I think when you're just starting out, that's how you need to look at affiliate marketing earnings. As you can see, like I said in the first video of this series, just because you see your favorite YouTuber telling you to start affiliate marketing because they made insert amount of money here, does not guarantee you're gonna make that money when you first start out. However, I don't want this to take you away from thinking about setting up your own Amazon affiliate marketing account. Like I said, it's 100% free to join, and why not start making some extra money on the side for doing little more than posting links to stuff you're probably already talking about anyway. To learn even more about mastering your social media marketing, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.